Good morning, kids, and welcome to this channel. Today we shall learn about the words that you use every day. We shall look at the Luo names. Let us go! Come, chair. Come. Say come. Let's say it together again. Come. Beautiful. Mesa. That's a table. Mesa. Let's say it together. Mesa. Sulwe. Sulwe. That's a star. Sulwe. Due. Due. That's a moon. Due. Let's say it together. Due. Chieng. That's the sun. Chieng. Let's say it together. Chieng. Nyako. Nyako. That's a girl. Nyako. Let's say it together. Nyako. WOUYI Boy. WOUYI. Let's say it together. WOUYI. Beautiful. Rabolo. Rabolo. Banana. Rabolo. Let's say it together. Rabolo. Good. Machunga. Machunga. Machunga is an orange. BOCHE. BOCHE. Those are clouds. BOCHE. Let's say it together. BOCHE. OYOYO. OYOYO. That's a duck. Or you can say ATUDO. ATUDO. Let's say it together. ATUDO. Good. GWENO. GWENO. That's a chicken. GWENO. Let's say it together. GWENO. More kich. More kich. That's honey. More kich. Let's say it together. More kich. Good. Yeah. That's a boat. Yeah. Let's say it together. Yeah. Diang. Cow. Diang. Cow. Let's say it together. Diang. DL. Goat. DL. Let's say it together. DL. Good. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Goodbye. Oriti.